Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download captions from our ev.com into Premiere Timelines, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to our ev.com. Log in to your Rev account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the transcripts section on your dashboard. Find the transcript you want to download captions for. Click on the download button next to the specific transcript. From the drop-down menu, select the option for SRT or VTT format. The file will begin downloading to your computer. Next, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing project where you want to import the captions. In the Premiere Pro interface, locate the Project panel. Right-click inside the Project panel and select Import from the context menu. Navigate to the location on your computer where you downloaded the caption file. Select the SRT or VTT file and click Open. Once imported, drag the caption file to the timeline of your project. Align the captions with the appropriate video clips in the timeline. You can edit the captions directly in the timeline if necessary. To ensure everything is in sync, play through the timeline. Adjust the timing or formatting of the captions as needed. Finally, export your project to save the video with the captions included. This concludes the guide on downloading captions from our ev.com into Premiere Timelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.